everyone. Hello, my beautiful people. Hello. It's your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe and hit the notification bell. My people, today topic now about Genevieve. Genevieve NOLLYWOOD. He don't finally get married when he want marry. Oh, Mona help me congratulate him. Oh, na no say this our ogbonge platform. Yeah, they always they bring many topic for now. Mona they see they learn from this side. You understand? But this one now we want congratulate that our darling sister, that our ogbonge sister. We want congratulate her for this wonderful man when he want marry am now. Una know so now they always dey talk and say I make Genevieve marry now, make he marry. Wetin dey wait for? He don finally get man now. He want marry now. So Mona congratulate am. E no dey easy because e don tey wey we want make this our darling sister make he marry. E don tey. People don dey talk. Even that time when she go follow the banj because they feel say the banj that time he go marry am. But the bunch, e no can work out for them, you know. E no can work out. But when they date that time, you know, so even before the bunch even toast Genevieve can't even agree for am. I know say go take am time before he can finally see agree for am. The two of them come dey date. Even that time, he can't even sing that music. Say Genevieve don't make am fall in love. Now remember that music now. You don't make me fall in love. Oh. Fall in love. Oh. We suppose marry cause you don't make me fall in love. Now remember that music that year. So, but we don't know what it can happen. You know, can work out for the two of them, you know, but Genevieve, he can't dey ever since. Even that time, they can say they go follow Atiku wey get money now. They can say Atiku na so he build that for her, na so he do this one for her, na so they do am from back, na so they do am from here. Sometimes I go dey wonder say how una take dey know say na from back Atiku for the do am that time. Because that time I can't dey surprised say where they for hear and say they do am for back. Una dey there when they jogo do am, una come know say they do am for back. Na wow for people. Now what for them for some kind news wey be say they go the way they go take talk am, the thing go dey shocktalize me like seriously, you know. So when we come hear that one that time, so Genevieve dey like that, he no gree marry. So now his daughter, I remember say he get one daughter at that time. So this his daughter now that one come marry now. So as that one come marry, now she now can still get man. Doesn't mean say she be the wait make her daughter marry before she will marry. Now that one may not can understand. Because as daughter marry, now she too now can still marry now. You know, I dey happy for her because it's not really easy. I am so happy for her because it's not easy for somebody to come wait till this time, you know, as a single mother. That is really good. Now she can want settle down now. Very nice. Not somebody wey want settle down with one prime minister for Ghana. One big man for Ghana. His son now he want marry. So you know now Ghana now she want come go now. I am so happy for her. No easy, my people. It's not easy. But I help me congratulate her, that our sister. I too love her. I too love her. Anytime as not only she be in fact, so many of the way they ask me, we be Nollywood that time. She no use cream, her color. But I too love Genevieve, really. I too love her right from time. I like the way she do her own way, simple woman. Everything about her simple. She know they take things like the way other people they do them. People look up to her. You know, I love her so much. I am so happy for her. I said now she can finally want settle down. That is very nice. Thank you, everybody. This video not go too long. Just a short video. Now I want just do so. I know I made the video made too long. I like her style. I like the way she did one because some people Now, if they just be single mother, all so they don't run, they want go marry, they want go do this. First, take care of those ones where you get. This one only one. And Genevieve get to, he no even already say he want marry. He no hurry. But if now all those that were single mothers, them they for don't rush. Say they want go the bonbon, they want go the bonbon they go. But she lie. She's so free wait till this time, you know. That is very, very nice, really. Very, very nice the way she did one. Because if now all those that were single mothers, them, some of them, fast, they for that go the bonbon, they give the different men. Yeah, but you see the way Genevieve take doing you, he waits, you know, go carry. And say he want go the bonbon for everywhere they go. Like it's of you waiting this time. You know, I am so happy for her because it's not easy to just keep your body like that ever since. Obviously, she not go the friend men, no, she go the friend, but she don't like say she want go the fool itself, they carry different men, as in just because say maybe she want born. Also, she get money now. She not the suffer. Whether she want on the lack, which you can't say one go they carry different men. It's if you wait till this time now. And now she can't engage now, you know. And now she want married now. That is so sweet of her. You know, I get one platform when I did that time when I hear one woman they talk, Lady T, when they do this a single mother issue. When one woman calling the woman saying they UK say nah. Say she a single mother. She gets 2 children. Now she want on he said now her children don't reach 18 years. Now she want marry now. Say because he keep himself because she no want go carry another man, you know, come take care of her children, you know. She waits till now. Now she want come marry now. I was happy for her. That is a single mother we get sense. Not be all those ones where they come to see again for especially this Germany when I did here, where we say some single mothers they will not know they are safe at all. Some single mothers they will not know they are left and right, you know. So I really like the way the Genevieve is doing also. I really love her because not be every as in I really love the way she did one. I really love her, you know. He became don't marry and now she want marry now. Very, very nice. Because she's still young, so she can still marry at any time. Because he born now not the way he born that he became that time now. So I'm so happy for her. So thank you everybody. Take care. So Mona congratulate her for me, oh my lovely Genevieve. Congratulate her for me. So that make congratulations. Make you know cease for your life too. Thank you. Bye everybody. Bye and share this video.
Be the plan, that's what they call me. Promise that you never be lonely. Be the fan, that's what they call me. Promise that you never be